All right, so to make the graph, this is the easiest way possible. So I found this website. Go to the website. This is what will open up. All right, all you have to do is um, put in your data. I put in some fake data. These numbers are not even close to what you'll have with those fake data. So this is the x-axis. So click in there and type what it's supposed to be. So get rid of all that. The x-axis is displacement. And don't forget the units. And the y-axis is force. And the units, newtons. And you'll notice that when you do that, over on the graph, they show up. All right, so after you have your data in, click curve fit, click linear, all right? And then at the very bottom here, click this little arrow to make it fill your screen. All right, so here's your graph. Up top here, here's your equation, right? This little, in my case, this little number here before the x, that's the slope, which is the spring constant. All right, so what you got to do at this point is right click and save the image. Go to your lab itself, right, where it says paste the graph. All right, you can just highlight and get rid of all of this. Go insert, image, upload from computer. Here's mine, upload it. There it is, and then just make sure it's nice and big, which it should be. All right, there's inserting your graph. That's simple.